Obia regional minister count. Obia regional chairman count.
Yeah.
So you are Ashanti regional minister.
Yeah.
And you are Ashanti regional chairman.
Yeah.
Quite apart from that, Kofi, you are Matthew Opoku Prempe.
Yeah.
Or Hinfa.
Or energy.
You are Dr. Educhum.
Yeah.
Bacho Hin.
On also education.
You are Cecilia Abna Dapa.
Yeah.
Bacho Hin.
On works sanitation. Yeah.
Bacho you are Dr. Akoto. Or Hin.
The right hand man of Nana Dankwa Akufo Greek.
You are Alan Kojo Trade. You are Asenso Boache.
Yes. Works in housing.
You are your friend.
Nanado's darling boy.
Yes. Chief of staff.
Yeah.
Kofi, what the young check it?
Now Refi Swami.
Parliamentary affairs.
Yeah.
And majority leader.
Yeah.
Kofi, Sankiayan original and tribal balance cry. In a way, make us Nana Kufuado, SEC other regions. That is why sometimes I make us focus on Nana Kufuado. Because Kofi Adentina make us cabinet ministers are a discussing development, a discussing scare what's the idea? Near the parliament for approval. Ashanti region wabaku 9, including regional minister, regional chairman account. Kofi enti ye court na ye twasika ayi kasa pia ro konfa cho kasa o say akolebu eson 1.5% more than konfa no chi. Yet still you say ye den expansion go bin boa.
Oh yeah, you scan here.
Your friend say whole military hospital yeah expansion but your Kofi says scan you na ye betwa ni Kumasi ye twa wen enya cabinet na omo teso a Kofi say nipa ye bubo omu nyina din no omo teso ni ye cast expansion of Legon, expansion of Hana. Kofi ana update ne ka kire omo e wa Ashanti region. Kofi anya no nko awo party by from your friends say party by your chat modernization and beautification of Greater Accra. So okay.
Yeah.
Big money. Yakoji di aba. Kofi party by your say chat sanitation and one Nana do so pesa Accra ye one of the neatness city in West Africa. Ya twa sika. Say sika we nyina Kofi ebi ma Ashanti region e bi abakumase. Ya this MPs. Mini anapo aduchum. Your friend say Oma ibubo di nyina kaun. Amba no wasan be gina Kumase. Sabi o mum fan chame sa kanchem hu na kire say Accra ko nanim ya den esi Kumase. What are you doing? Representatives from Ashanti region. Representative from Otun Force Land.
CEOs ahodo
chief executives.
CEOs.
Na wo ko tena wa na utwa sika ne yemfa ko kran. Yemfa kwa. Na wasan be gina Kumase. Kumase say enkran kwa na ye den. Me pa to sika ne ye twa no. Mention your channel.
NPP over $5 million.
What are they talking about? Kofi?
Chebi development.
Yes.
Nuya, kuduye nuya.
Ya chasi kadi abo. Adi abo mention palace. Kofi, and you may kono. It is not about Nana Kufuado. It is about leadership. We have to get rid of all of them. Okoka Yasemienka. Kofi, what are they doing? Your defense minister, deputy defense minister, Kofi, a cabinet minister. Eiii, your friend saying, no. I'm a Kwamanu.
Yeah.
All these people, yet Kumasi development, baby Ejina, Ashanti region development, baby Ejina. No one must say Kwaba. No one say catch say Kumai and cry kon nimsi Kumasi. And you call yourself MPs of Ashanti region. What are you doing, Kofi? What are they doing for us? Oko kamba nom disika room or say chairman satisfy me jenanum kasa. What is going on in Ashanti region?
Serious oh.
Kasa oko kasa sia ebenyo obi. Nana Kofi, I am an NPP member. But as far as national cake is concerned, I am fighting for Ashanti region. I don't care. Because yampani for na akono Kofi omo ye okay with sky dey mo ni omo busuafo than the development of Ashanti region
bi pa na yiri ewu o konfa noche what's Kofi ye nya bed I called everybody what's boss Kofi na bed ni ho ye be ne dey
look at this
as the bed ni ho ye be ne dey
look at this Kofi
ne ye twam wo afari ye twam wo mia hospitals ni
Kofi number of hospitals amabo ne kran any number of hospitals and Kenya Ashanti regional. Some penny for poor crying and I'm in pessimity.
Why?
Health a young kind.
Kokwaje in siasa.
And then they have stopped all these things and doing campaign. They are almost the neighbor. Meanwhile, the development of Ashanti region, you and concerning Mumubia. And then Kofi, I'm gonna say them near the neighbor. Ni amfa we am way to aba. These are the people leading by Omia's team.
Serious.
Kofi, and look at Ashanti region. And they are here to tell Ashanti region for say, yan to aba mawe. They are the call yan biaba.
87.9.
Yaka mum yanka. Hwa ewiase Asante fo bu baby asu krom pete. Edu na ma biye den. Eka. Monya very careful. Omo ba be dwa enum yemfa we Kofi, I'm telling you. Omo di because dey no omo di aba. Look at the number of hospitals and California. And Utie Kumasi Piero, I say, yet they are still raising funds to expand it.
Almost expand it because they are pushing it. And they are pushing it seriously.
Now you Kumasi 19 MPs, 19 cabinet members. Now me catch up say, I want more coffee. Me do nyami so mu Nana Akufo-Addo who?
Oh, we are sure.
Everybody is afraid to tell Nana Akufo-Addo about Ashanti regional development.
Oh, we are sure.
Because you are sacked.
We are sure.
Na Kofi Kawai. You don't call cabinet say koyede. You discussing the development of Ghana. And Yamam Kofi me pa macho. Nana Akufo-Addo mo bia mblebu Nana Akufo-Addo da e wa Ashanti region.
You think so?
Yes, Kofi.
Nanti oba me say.
Kofi, say sia uti yi. U studio ha. O si enche ha.
Yeah.
Wo do me pa minim. Nana Prempe we. O akohene no ka ho. Nipa 9. And where you wo ma 5. Aba voting na ye be him abra ye che Akoma properties. Unko wa yi 5. And ye 4 wa abonten. Ye be che Akoma ejapade. In reality, adwin be no trim.
Oh, say me man be fa de
That means you benya dodo.
Yes.
Kofi sa wokọ na o man to aba. Ni e ba no anya dodo a o man o ma eden.
Omo ajimfo.
Na fe ka kire o man. Kofi ka kire o man.
O man timi afa dodo a.
Et we ka kwasi asem no mu di na Ashanti region kire. E fa ye say jimi because omo ba omo di sika beba abetoyen am ya sa to aba mom. 19 cabinet ministers no Ashanti region MPs nkwa including chief of staff.
Chief of staff.
Omunyina works under who? All this minister they works under who? Yeah, chief of staff.
Ora national security minister na. Ora Kandapa.
Kikabika Kofi.
National security. Whole GMPC.
Kikabika
the biggest baby a yenye kakase pe fi GMPC. GMPC papa we e de na wo ba fie. Ya maame Patricia ni kuni. Keke sapon.
Kofi.
Party for no kra ni.
Ene ya ba mi so am ba twa Opooman na me da gata num dada na me de na mva ho me da fi Kofi Edin asam na e ka no Ashanti region Kumasi for mum yani na ho Kofi sampani for when nyina still they don't think about the development of Ashanti region omo ju isika omenya Dr. Nsiasare ene olidi ba omya campaign
I see
ya tesiase enua na poka ho ya tese your friend is saying education minister, regional minister. That is what we've been hearing. And Kofi, yet all these people, development Kumasi as compared Ashanti region, as compared to your friend is saying,
Akoma,
Greater Accra, Jane Wasro, was said to be an say, Sanfa Banasako, et Ashanti region, Yenu, Nana Akufo-Addo ye interchange.
Yeah.
A friend is saying,
Tamale.
Yeah. Or ye has Cocoa board, what is saying? Ya Tamale nam ko mi ka ye Sofolai
yeah.
na ai hadi ye
Kofo
na mi ka ai any adum ye no be kati askwade
yeah
emergency Kofi me boldin bi wo mi ni akwa me dinkra o man hini mo nyina mu so ofie ni
fie demo
ye ntibi da na Akufo-Addo ofie na Akufo-Addo aba abeda da ye tutuo na ma ye mpanifo wa ma mu tutuo 9 cabinet ministers Kofi Dianyanya 5 interchanges in Ashanti region 6 kind crime or form 1 say chairman say general mojo kwaku baby adunu it's not about party affairs it's about the region
Akoma 87
because the party no eye atuma aban ni ye atuma region no ma me pia na me ye campaign me say den esi me bo
and omre
and mo jai panifo bia so be campaign for yasem
87.9
Nana Akufo-Addo yate yeso kan ya mitimi no nya adwuma
oh really
oh yes etie one ministers Kofi baby adura ose yeka Baby to Ashanti region see kasa. Meet me no nya adwuma, meet me no nya adwuma. Nancy yes sister. Just campaign. Eh DC or say.
Sister ye baraka say atwoma wa beja north south ho.
Election primary here hey. Open post and answer open so tina fie. Kokofu, you're silencing what is going on in Ashanti region.
Abase Kokofu ye CEO for
yes, so open CEO and also open politics. He should choose one. Kofi, is it fair? But Obiaka, you see in ka. Nana, Kofi, I am saying this because time I na on na Akufo-Addo no. Yen na on na Akufo-Addo no. Kofi, ye can be chira Akufo. But 90 say it's getting worse. And you can't Asante for good them and you share them no be to me kasa because you be you adi. Ni chinchim monsa directing the direction of the party to other side. No men. And now Asante yes mo come on no be no to be kasa. Be to me your party no. Coffee. They say
mebo where him for the men within the region and
cabinet.
The cabinet. Cabinet ministers. Therefore, Facebook. These are the cabinet ministers.
Look at this.
And the zoom in the kakrama me na pona wa eh mebo and the trust here.
Look at this 19 cabinet ministers.
And that was a Jakon. We first time no. A Jakon. And even first time because we still had a lot of Ashanti region.
First time Kanye was 6.
First time you was 6.
Kofi enti Nana Akufo-Addo nye den. Someone to me Kasadia. Not just for the position no. I exchange the development of Ashanti region. Because who so can you bet it is self development whereby Ashanti Ube Kasa. Ama development about Ashanti region there. And you over tran what you post. Na Kumasi yatinum send ye Ashanti region. Kofi Efe.
Terrible.
And you may kono media maka. Woka near the party affairs. NDC about 8 years. Na mutaka cabinet minister. Na a friend say mami Betimot Idrisu.
Yeah.
And no me be 3 wa Ashanti region. Omono cry am timi am lemu no amaya cry say we go.
And the Prof Mills Mekai continency the energy minister.
Energy minister.
Your courses are meters bebrebe gu. Bibia
what's up meters. Kofi look at this. Sankrofo ye Shafani so mo pay timi am wan a. Say 8 otiaje. 8 years ye kwa no. Kofi Ashanti region that's so baby o. And you have our minister Kofi me there me pa choma say for to Facebook. You the current cabinet minister.
No but it's serious o.
Na ye ho nya o sorry akoka no ka Opooman o kasa Kofi Ashanti o kasa Prempe o kasa. Meanwhile the region is losing. It's losing big.
Akoma 87.
The region is losing big. Because of Mubotom
7.9.
We are not calling them Musa to be coffee. Made them want to do politics. Baby, you to know what the anya, what the ano no. Samam ya fall and Chamantia ma.
0.9.
Hey, Munya project. Ya tell me ya catch a coffee. President Kofone here 2 interchanges. And no my your friend say emergency. Kofi Asante, come here dinkra. One Ofia ni fear and your papa knew. Nana Akufo-Addo am I say Moti why naka. I am very happy for you today.
I
am very happy for you today. What started this? Oh yes, look at this. So for line.
But what if say Ebuafa kwano crazy it's hot though.
Oh, Kofi, enti baby edu no. It's not about yen NPP. Nana Akufo-Addo change apade no. Don't wanna ye change yen Ashanti region. And young Crawford don't go in your mum.
But is
all the ministers.
Is
all the ministers. All the ministers. Almost and also mafia. Instead of working yes.
Contractors look
at this. Instead of you to work hard, say about to Obama no. Or my worker because Kokan and Akufo-Addo workers want to be doing day. And every minister is afraid, especially our regional minister. Kofi on the Chenyin and Sani Akwa election at the mine. Kofi, say yan Chenyin, regional minister. Says I know Kasa Kofi. There is no regional coordinating council in Ashanti region.
How do you know?
Me na make a show.
How?
Kwani Kobu say.
RCC.
How can you work without the regional coordinating council?
RCC meetings.
Wrong. I'm challenging it.
Or they do RCC meeting.
Only one
They do RCC.
Only one Kofi.
But with the security couples and other.
And on your RCC. Kofi. So RISEC is a
different from
subcommittee
RCC.
under the Regional Coordinating Council.
Yeah.
RISEC
But
is a how can you work with a subcommittee in the region? Go and see the act. Act in the cassette.
First no RCC and no
4 years. 4 years. No Regional Coordinating Council. Kofi ma fight it.
So what constitute the council?
All chief executives.
Okay.
All presiding members.
Okay.
Regional department heads.
Okay.
3 or 2 traditional authority members.
Okay.
And one.
Has that happened before? Maybe what happened?
Oh,
Kofi. Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Nancy, our regional minister said, "You DC for last 2 years, and I'm fighting. Or see, you DC for home for me. Kofi, DC for me, saying, where is the regional coordinating council? We've not wanted.
I'm warm up.
I better Kofi. Region, no development above. I better region, no development above.
Oh, I'm before me.
Look at our hospitals.
I'm before me.
Look at our hospitals.
But that is a very serious thing.
So, Ashanti region, you come. And then Crawford and do become paid. Now, most of some so much is scared. Say yes, sir.
Mamin Kounia, Nana Prempe. Yes, yeah, and they have a risk. You will risk. You will risk. You will from now on to 10.
Now, I am going to fight for NPP Ashanti region.
Okay.
Opa Sakime. Now, you are ready. Me know where you can correct. Look at an Ashanti region. Kofi, say, Crony, go. Why are our leaders?
Not time on the air time.
Our leaders, way.
Time the air time.
Say chairman Sabe Yobo, regional minister Sabe Yobo, na Poba no Kasa. Wait, look at hospitals. And Mutim, Kofi Cobra, me too.
Nana Federation. Nana, I don't know, but be out there all protocol hospitals on tea.